Ready.
Hello everyone, my name is TUBA FATIMA. Cats sleep anywhere by Eleanor Farjeon. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. The Lion and the Mouse by Aesop. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly and in her fright, and trying to get away as quick as possible. She ran across the lion's nose, waking from his nap. The lion put his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. "Spare me," begged the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I promise to repay you." It made the lion smile to think that a mouse could ever help him, but he was a kind lion and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, while hunting the forest, the lion was caught up in the folds of a hunter's net. He couldn't free himself and filled the forest with his angry roar. The mouse recognized the voice and quickly found the lion, struggling in the net. Running to one of the great ropes that bound him, she chewed and chewed until it came apart, and very soon the lion was free. "You laughed when I said I would repay you," said the mouse. "Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion." And the lesson, dear reader, is that a kindness is never wasted.